Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to fix Instagram photo restyle not working. When tried to restyle photo show this problem, could not restyle your photo, try again later or something went wrong problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Instagram, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available Play Store, tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Swipe the notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Check internet connection on your phone. Go to Instagram. Click on profile icon. Click on three dot menu. Scroll down. Click on help. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. And click on include and continue. Write this text and click on send option. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.